Welcome back guys to another video. In this video we are going to look at the stock NVDA, NVIDIA, and we are trying to see whether this stock is ready for another run after posting 42% gains since April. So let's now look at its chart and see whether this stock is offering any secondary entry point and why it is a secondary entry point and whether it can now rally from this point onwards. So let's get started. So before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance. So what are the information we put it here? It's tracked in that website, so you can check it out at any time. And please get onto our social media sites and engage with us. We love to see you guys there. And please subscribe to this channel. So let's look at its tracker real quick. So this stock had added to the tracker originally on 4/6 when it was trading around $268.40, and as of today it's closing over $379. So it posted almost 42% gain since then, and the stop loss was around 246, which was never in question. We'll be looking at the chart real quick and see why it was an entry price at that time. And looks like this stock was offering a secondary entry point around 362 to 380, and the date was around June 17th. That's where it's got entered, but it was now moved sideways a little bit and consolidated, and looks like it is now cleared that resistance line today and ready to move on. So let's look at this chart real quick. And here is the chart guys, and it is a weekly setting for NVDA. I love the weekly setting because it gives you a clear trend. The daily setting has a lot of noise, and the two indicators that I follow is 10-week moving average and 50-week moving average, which are plotted right here. So the original entry point was around here on 4/6 or 4/9 week. So this is where it found support. It has a 10-week moving average, so that is one of the key short-term support line. So that is the reason it's got added, and you can see it rallied since very nicely, and it offered another secondary entry point around this price range because it cleared the consolidation at the time. So this is where that price was, but it moved sideways a little bit, and today it almost came to now close to test its 10-week moving average or 50-day moving average, but it bounced back very nicely. That is the reason it is still in that buy zone. So hopefully the stock can rally from this point onwards. So let's look at its secondary buy zone one more time. So it is between right here guys. You can see the two trend line. It is trading with that zone. So that is would be your ideal secondary entry zone. So one more time, the zone is 360 to 380 and the stop loss is around 333. So anytime if the stock goes down below that price, you may want to sell it and get out. Okay guys, I believe NVDA is giving you another entry point, so you can do a pilot buy and go from there. And please check it out, our website. All the informations are now recorded there. I will put the tracker link in the description section, so you can now track it in and day out. And please check out our social media sites, and as well as please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. And I will see you guys in another video relatively very shortly, and thank you very much.